Ok, alors on va faire notre deuxième faille sur le futur intérieur. Là, cette faille avec la description de ce qu'il faut faire ici avec le futur intérieur. So last week, when you did the futur intérieur sheet, you did the basic translation and conjugation of the verb. You'll find on the back, hopefully you picked this up and sent me your mark. Alors, juste pour un peu de révision, alors répondre avec je, c'est j'aurais répondu, I will have answered. So in all of your translations here, you've said will have or will had done something. That was to get the hang of what this actually means. Keep in mind that it's talking about two actions that happen in the future and one happens before the other. So that's translation. When we speak English, we oftentimes either do the contraction or we just take the will out. You'll see that in the next sheet we're going to do today. So don't get too tangled up about the translation. Just know in your mind that it's talking about two things that are going to happen in the future, and one's going to happen before the other. So the first action that's going to happen is futur antérieur. The second action is going to be futur simple. Alors, voici la faille pour aujourd'hui, c'est faites la conjugaison des verbes au futur antérieur. Alors, je vous ai donné le verbe ici à votre gauche, entre parenthèses, et je vais vous donner une phrase avec un verbe déjà conjugué au futur simple. Alors, elle travaillera en France lorsqu'elle, vous allez conjuguer perfectionner, ce n'est pas un verbe du Dr. Mrs., ce n'est pas un verbe réfléchi, alors on va se servir du verbe avoir pour le verbe auxiliaire, et après ça, c'est pas un verbe irrégulier, alors perfectionner va changer à perfectionner avec accent aigu. Okay? Alors faites numéro 1 jusqu'à numéro 5. Après ça, la deuxième partie, c'est maintenant décidez quelle action est arrivée au premier et mettez ce verbe au futur intérieur. Le verbe pour la seconde action sera au futur simple. Okay, so this you need to do a little bit of thinking about because you got to determine most logically, which action happened first. And the first action is going to go into futur simple, and then the second action is going to go, or sorry, the first action is going to go into futur antérieur, and then whatever the second action would have been will be in futur simple. Alors, lorsque la quarantaine, and then the verb is finir, je, and then sortir. So I want the sentence to say, when the quarantine's finished, I will go out. The quarantine finishing has to happen first, and therefore finir is going to go in futur antérieur. I go out part is supposed to be the second action in the future, so sortir is going to go into futur simple. Alors, votre réponse ici sera lorsque la quarantaine pas finie, je sortirai. When the quarantine's done, I will go out. Okay. So I know that the will have part is a little odd in English. Sometimes it doesn't directly translate. Hopefully, by this point in life, you figured out that language is not just straight up word for word translation. There's always a little more to it. So just get it down and try to figure out how you'd actually say it if you're speaking or hopefully writing formally. Alors, aussitôt que je et le verbe est recevoir, mon G2 et se sentir plus indépendant, indépendante. Alors, on veut que la phrase dit as soon as I will have gotten my G2, so as soon as I get my G2 is how we probably talk, I will feel more independent. So you're going to get G2 first, and then you're going to feel more independent. So I explained a little bit about the English version of futur antérieur, future perfect, mais voilà. Alors, la conjugaison sera aussitôt que j'aurai reçu, c'est conjugué au futur intérieur, je me sentirai plus indépendante. Okay? Alors, ici, je vous ai donné juste 3 phrases qu'il faut faire vous-même. Alors, vous allez donner la traduction, je m'excuse, la conjugaison du verbe aller ou finir, soit au futur simple ou à futur intérieur. Et après ça, vous allez donner la traduction. Okay, so once you've done this sheet, whether you print it and do it by hand, whether you just do it on the copy that I've made for you, so you do it honestly and then go to the answer sheet that I've also got posted here, and you're going to give yourself a mark. Again, be honest about it. If you don't get it and you're crashing and burning on this, let me know so I can either make another video to help you share it, to help you understand it, or make another sheet if it's complete, mess. Let me know. Sur des